Hello friends, welcome to Triankush Learning Channel. Today we are going to learn few sentences or few lines on stapler. So let's start. Stapler is a handy office tool. Stapler is a handy office tool. It is used for joining papers together. It is used for joining papers together. The fastener called a stapler. It is a two-pronged shape. It is a two-pronged shape. It is usually made of metal. It is usually made of metal. When you press the stapler down, it will release a staple. When you press the stapler down, it will release a staple. The staple is pressed into the paper. The staple is pressed into the paper and then bent. That way, the pieces of the pieces of paper get stuck together. Stapler are widely used in government, business, offices, homes, workplaces, and schools. Two types of stapler comes in two distinct types. First manual and second electric. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.